Out here in Grand Junction, dude, we're gonna see how many spots we can get on the app today. I bet we can get like 6. If we move quick, we got like 3 hours of light left, so wish us luck.
So I went to Cabela's the other day. You know how they have all the manimals up top on the fucking ceiling. So I was like, let me fucking buy a cheetah. And she's like, it's a leopard. And I was like, how much? She's like, why do you want it? I was like, I want to mount it on my truck. She won't let me buy it. I told her I want to mount it on my truck.
Let me see. Is that where you got this thing?
Yeah. She told me she could sell me her dog. It's fucking death. It's blind. Fucking doesn't like me. Fuck, it looks good in the truck.
How many spots do we get so far?
We'll go pump by the park track. I think we're at like 4 now, right?
3 or 4, yeah.
And people say Junction doesn't have spots. They just don't want to skate.
Winning is always better than losing, and winning big is better still.
Rape scandal, Tawana Brawley, New York City. Before Giuliani turned Times Square to Walt Disney. Low cost anesthetic epidemic, CD what wall graffitied up. Coke, Scotty beat me up. Murder rate stats are staggering, lives unraveling. Central Intelligence Agency is drug travel.
That was a pump track.
Stupid dope, dude. It's pretty good. Ryan got like 3 tricks, John got a couple tricks. Just trying to like corral all these kittens and try to herd them to the next spot.
Harassing rodents and roaches. Homeless vet with skin rashes from tuberculosis, narcosis, pimps and hookers and heroin overdoses. Every snitch and bird chirps. That's how the world works. These hookers looking for who to burn first. Pointed as a pervert on your pro catch this bloody red spot.
I fucking landed it.
I take it. Corey Nolly backlipped that shit right into the bike rack.
Boppers, graffiti rockers, cops and jealous haters, dangerous back blocks, crack rocks and mad cops who clap shots, aiming to kill and steal a stash box from psycho niggas fighting with whites and acidics. Remember
Up, downhill, uphill, wedge, slap. I don't know what to explain this. Where's like, where are we going? Can't really tell you what it is.
Victims of hard times, Pan Am Flight 103, Central Park 5. Thank Reagan for making dealers kingpins. Who would think then? We seeing M's, all the shipments that slipped in. 88er, architect, camouflage vet. My burner on the train next to burn our guests. From the time the space shuttle and Chernobyl exploded, I voted for Dinkins knowing.
Oh shit! Got my leg.
That just happened.
Ow! Oh, it's already a fucking knot.
How did that feel?
It was alright. Put myself on a stick.